Namaste everyone. My name is Shevya and I will be guiding you through the practice designed for managing high blood pressure. The practice focuses on calming your mind, your overall well-being, and promote relaxation through mindful movements and breath work. Before we proceed, make it a point that this practice is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any medical condition, make sure that you consult your doctor before you proceed. Also, keep in mind to make it slow, mindful, skip the part whichever is not suiting you and go at your own pace. I hope you enjoy the practice. Let's proceed. So we'll be starting with coming in Sukhasana, cross your leg, either of the leg on the top. Stay comfortable there and then crawl your palms forward and go as low as your own body allows. Taking your deep breath in and out and crawl your palms towards either side of the body. Again, do not force your body to go very low. Just go as low as your body allows. Taking a few deep breaths there. Coming back to the center and walking your palms towards the other side of the body. The opposite hip is also going down to the floor. And slowly you walk your palms back to the center. Inhale and exhale. And slowly walking back, sitting up straight, hands in Gyan Mudra on the top of the knees, eyes closed. Few deep breaths over there. Inhale, exhale and relax. Next, you will be doing cat and cow, coming in all fours, shoulders above the rest, knee below the hips. You arch the lower back, inhale, look up, round the spine, drawing the chin to the chest, exhale, look down. Inhale, look up, arch, exhale, look down, push the floor as you round the spine. You can do maximum 10 of these rounds. Be mindful and make your spine move all the way along with the breath. Next is mountain pose or Parvatasana. You can come in all fours again and you will tuck the toes in, curl the toes in, lift the knees slightly off the floor, pressing your palm, push your chest all the way close to the thighs and then slowly begin to straighten the knees without disturbing your upper body. After that, you will slowly try to draw your heels all the way down to the floor. That's okay if your heels are not touching. And you will stay here for 4 to 5 deep breaths. Next is Child's Pose or Balasana, amazing restorative pose. You'll be starting with coming in Parvatasana and spreading your knees apart, dropping them on the mat. Drop your feet down, push your hips to the heels, walk your palms forward, lengthen the spine, rest your chest down, bring your armpits closer to the floor and relax for a few breaths here. Next pose is Supta Baddha Konasana. You lie down and bend your knees, bring your legs in butterfly pose. You stretch your arms up, grab the opposite elbows and lie down there all relaxed. You can also use a bolster under your body and rest your entire body on it. And as you lay there, take few deep, calming breaths to restore yourself. Next is revolved abdominal pose with the bent knees, arms sideways. Drop both the knees to the right as you look at your left, giving that spine a deep twist with the breath. You bring your knees back to the center with deep inhalation, and as you exhale, drop the knees towards the left side as you look towards your right. Stay in the pose. You can repeat it for 3 to 4 times each side. Proceeding with sectional breathing, you grab your ribs from the side, thumb at the back, fingers in the front. Imagine your ribs like an umbrella. And as you deeply inhale, feel your ribs pressing on your palms from the side. And as you exhale, feel your ribs coming closer to each other. It's not just the front of the chest, but also your upper back responding to the breath. Your entire thoracic region, the entire upper and middle and lower part of your ribs. Complete expansion as you inhale and relaxation as you exhale. You may repeat this for about 8 to 10 rounds with absolute no rush, drawing your attention towards the chest region. Mind calm and keep breathing for as many rounds as you find comfortable. Once you are done, you slowly place your palms on the belly and proceed with abdominal breathing, that is your belly breathing. Inhale, your belly moving out, pressing on your palms. And exhale, belly moving all the way in, trying to reach the back of your spine. You may repeat belly breathing as well for about 10 rounds. And you are passively keeping the attention towards your chest. However, your active attention is towards the belly. The complete expansion of your abdominal and lower back muscles as you inhale. And relax as you exhale, as your belly moves all the way in. Inhale, belly moving out like a balloon. And exhale, it's moving in, and all the way in. And relax. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, bringing your right hand in Pranav Mudra. Close your right nostril from the right thumb and inhale through left. Then close your left nostril and exhale through right. Inhale through right again and exhale through left. That completes your one cycle. You can keep your other hand in Gyan Mudra. You can do about 9 to 10 cycles, 8 to 10 cycles of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. You have to ensure as you inhale, your complete chest and belly is expanding. And as you exhale, your belly and chest is entirely moving in. There is absolutely no rush in the breath. And your mental awareness is entirely drawn towards the breath. No matter how much your mind wanders into various places, keep bringing your attention back. Keep the breath mindful and deep, and your mind and body calm and relaxed. You can also change your arm in case you get tired. Once you're done with the last round, bring your hand back in Gyan Mudra position and stay there for a while. Next is Baddha Konasana or butterfly, stretching your legs and bending the knees, bringing them in butterfly. You grab your feet from the side and you push your knees down, inhale, and exhale, bring your upper body to the floor. If your head is touching all the way down on the floor, go ahead and touch it. If not, absolutely not a problem. Go as low as your body allows you to go. Even if you are an inch closer to the floor, that's totally fine. You have to stay comfortable in the pose and breathe there. If you can touch your chin on the floor and stay there for 4 to 5 breaths. Inhale, come back and slowly release the pose. After a few deep breaths, you slowly bring your palms in front of your chest in prayer position. A smile on your face, take a deep breath in and exhale, bow down your head with complete surrender. You slowly rub your palms and the warmth that you feel, you place them on your eyes. Massage your cheeks and chin in upward direction, neck, shoulders, thighs, knees. Bring your palms in front of the face, open your palms, slowly open your eyes. That's all. Thank you for joining me today.